and welcome to another video. If you are new here, my name's Chiz, my pronouns are they, them, and I do things on here sometimes. But before we start, I do want to say thank you for 5,000 subscribers. That was my goal for the end of the year, and it is only October, so we hit that like 2 months early, which is awesome. Today I have a different kind of video, so I really appreciate feedback. Please let me know if this type of video is something you'd like to see. I'm gonna be doing like how I make outfits slash like outfit combos or formulas that I like to follow to make my outfits, if that makes sense. I don't even know how I'm gonna title this video. Let me know in the comments like how you feel about this type of videos. As always, comment your favorite, and I hope that you enjoy the video. The first outfit combo formula that I like to follow is the little top, little skirt, and plus a jacket for the fall. It is still way too hot where I am, aka California, to wear the jacket with these outfits. I was actually suffering in these clips. Not so much with the cardigan that has the holes in it though, but the jacket is way too warm. Anyways, this outfit combo is really simple and you can accessorize as you please. I like to wear tights, boots, a hat and glasses, or either the two or both. Leg warmers, arm warmers, like literally whatever you want. Yeah, I made these leg warmers by the way, and I'm going to be making another crochet video coming up next, so look out for that if you're interested. But yeah, this one's pretty simple. Little top, little skirt, and a jacket or a cardigan. Next outfit combo is nothing revolutionary. It's just a top and a pair of pants. When I do wear little top, I do like to have a jacket handy just in case it gets cold, but I will not be putting it on. It is way too hot. Anyways, my purple pants are from Tunnel Vision and they come with this really cool chain, and I actually used it as a belt for the other pants and I don't know why I haven't done that yet. Also, they have this really cool zip on the side that opens up and allows for like more air to come into your legs. So it's really helpful when it's like hot outside. But yeah, I feel like you can do really cool things with tops and pants to upgrade it. Mine are pretty basic, but I still like them and think they look cool. I really can't wait till it gets like actually cold so I can start doing like more layering and stuff. That's gonna be really fun. Anyways, that's it for this one. Pretty simple top and pants. This next outfit combo is one that I really like, and it's the dress plus oversized jacket slash sweater combo. I personally prefer to wear the sweaters over a longer dress because it looks like a skirt and doesn't cover up most of the dress. Anyways, this jacket is my favorite jacket and I'm so excited to wear more fall. Please be colder. It's literally October, like come on. Anyways, I had to take off the jacket for the rest of the video, but you get it, it's not that complicated. Anyways, I also wanted to add that my New Rocks and my Doc Martens are the boots of the fall. I love them so much, I wear them a lot, and I feel like the New Rocks that I got, because I got them pretty recently, and I just feel like they elevate my outfits so much, like effortlessly too. This is my go-to outfit combo when I want to look like I made an effort, but also like I didn't. So I really like this outfit combo. It's kind of my go-to. Next outfit combo that I really like is the small top plus big shorts plus flannel. I thrifted both of my big shorts like earlier this year, and I have not worn any other pair of shorts like since. I think I have like one other pair of shorts that I wore once. Like these are my shorts. I love these shorts. Anyways, I love to combine like my tank tops with this fishnet short sleeve top that I cut up. I think it looks like really good combined together. Also, if anyone has any tips to stop the tongue of your shoe from going to the side, please let me know in the comments. I don't know how much longer I can deal with this. Anyways, yeah, I really like my tie too. I almost forgot. I put a little star on it, so I really like wearing it with this tank top because I also put a star on it, and yeah. Also, did I ever mention just how fat these pockets are? Like, I can fit my whole freaking flannel in there. Like, I don't even need to carry a bag when I wear these. Anyways, this is the little top cargo short combo. It's too hot for the flannel, so I'm not wearing it, but it still works for the fall. Last but not the least is the oversized top and the midi skirt combo. I know it's a little hard to tell, but I am wearing a long sleeve fishnet top under the shirt. I wear this outfit combo a lot as well, and I really like it. I think that it's super easy, super fun, especially if the skirt's like flowy. Pair it with some boots and a bag, and like you're pretty much good. I didn't really accessorize too much. I wore one necklace and like one bracelet or wrist cuff, but I still feel like it can be cool even with minimal accessories like this. Anyways, this is the big top long skirt combo, and I got distracted because I found a tomato in the garden. So yeah, I guess this is a good note to end on. You have reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Leave a like if you liked it, or comment your favorite outfit combo, and let me know if you absolutely hated this video or if you liked it. That's all that I have for you today. I will see you in the next one.